Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tech Keys Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to create a restore point on your Windows 10. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll be able to see the search box. On the search box, simply type restore point, and then you'll be able to see create a restore point. Simply click on open. After that, go ahead and click on the create button that appears on the bottom of this window. After that, name your restore point. Click on create. As you can see, I get this pop-up window that reads the restore point was created successfully. Go ahead and close this. Now to access your restore point, go ahead to the bottom left corner of your screen again to the Windows icon and then right click on it. Over here, you'll be able to see the run option. Select it. Now on this window, you're going to go ahead and type rstrui.exe. Click on OK, click on Next, and click on Finish again. If you have multiple restore points created, it will allow you to select the restore point to which you want your computer to be restored. Else, go ahead and click on Finish. Now to confirm that you want to restore your system, go ahead and click on Yes, and then your system will be restored to the restoration point that you've selected or set your system to. And this is how you can set a restore point on your Windows 10. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.